I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating.
Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Clarifion brand, their DSTx 2.0 portable air purifier. This is a 3-pack, as you can see. You can get 2 packs in single units. It's a tiny plug-in air ionizer with a HEPA filter built in. It's a mini personal air purifier for bedrooms and help with dust, smoke, pet dander, things like that, airborne dust and odors. What's unique is that it's tiny, but it's very powerful, and you can put one in every one of your rooms that you want to improve the air quality. So this uses something unique. It uses a negative ionizer we're going to test so that it charges the air particles so that they become essentially heavier to drop into the filtration system of this. And again, you want to typically put one per bedroom, bathroom, dining room, living room, and kitchen to ensure the best results. So this is CARB certified and complies with the federal ozone emissions limit and allows you to breathe fresher air. It says an activated carbon layer in the HEPA filter to help absorb unwanted odors and smoke in your kitchens, bathrooms, and more. I've used these in my kitchens right where I cook, and it really helps to absorb some of the cooking odors that happen when you're actually cooking. This is also whisper quiet, so you can go about your day and not worry about being disturbed with fan sounds. We're going to actually demonstrate that. We're going to demonstrate the negative ion effect also. So it comes with a simple written instruction booklet letting you see how to operate the device, but it's very simple. And also, if you would like to have replacement filters, I'll have a link for that in the description so that you can actually get replacement filters. So let's just take a look at one of these right here. It has a power unit on here that you could plug, that you could rotate to remove it if you want to, just like that. Comes shipped with it not on, and it has the specs right there, and you see that it has an ETL rating, and that's really good to see for something that's electrical in your home. Now if you open this up just like that, it's got this cool little cover on there. You can see the actual filter, and you pull this back. This is what you'd be replacing when it gets dirty. One side is white, the white goes towards the fan. There's a little mini fan right there that's going to be absorbing and putting the negative pressure to allow the filter to work. And then you just push this right back in place. Right here there is a button, and that's for the features on here. So we're going to plug this in and we're going to demonstrate how this works. So here I turned the studio lights off, some of them, and they have this powered so you can see the demonstration. So I'm going to hit that button right there, and the button comes, allows it to turn on, and there is a little night light right there, a little light that comes on low, and manual says that this turns the device on and the ionization function on. Fan and LED brightness are set to low. Now mode 2, we're going to push this again. And now you start to hear the fan. Mode 2, ionization feature remains on, and LED brightness are set to high, and you can hear the fan actually increased. Third press. Third press is ionization function remains on, fan is set to low, and LED light turns off. So now there's no more of an LED light. Now we turn it back on to the fourth press. Ionization remains on, fan is set to high, LED light is turned off. So you see you got all these different combinations of what you want, which is really great. And then one more time it's going to shut off. So let's go back to the first mode and the second mode. So now this is on the highest setting. So I have a device that will measure ionization or EMF, and I will show right there. So see what happens as I approach. So it's definitely ionizing the air, which is going to cause those molecules in the dirt and the pet dander and the smoke all to be heavier and to go right into this filter. And that's exactly what you want. So that's what's so unique about this. And look at the form factor as I showed. This thing is so nice and tiny. Put it right on the outlet, you're all set. So here's where I use one of these units right near my stovetop, and I've got it going, and it helps absorb any of the odors when I'm cooking, which works great. So after testing, what do I think about the Clarifion brand? Their DST 2.0 portable air purifier, the 3-pack. This is a great product. I've used them throughout my house over the years. It really does work. And again, you get replacement filters. I have the link. But I love this product. It works really exceptionally well. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.